Do you have 70 bucks? If you're in the Philippines, do you have 1,800 pesos? If yes, you can now start your YouTube channel. Most of us already have smartphones, so I won't include that in this list that you need to get to start your own YouTube channel. There are three main things that are important to your videos. First is the obvious one, the visuals. It's true that the camera does matter, but smartphones nowadays are very capable of delivering great footage. The secret is the lighting. But before that, let's get a desk tripod and a smartphone tripod mount to avoid making your video shaky. Now back to lighting. You need to buy a desk lamp and a strong bulb. This lamp costs $13 and 20 cents in Amazon and just 300 pesos in Lazada. You can buy them using the links down in the description to support this channel. Next, you need 2 wooden sticks or chopsticks, masking tape or scotch tape, and a piece of bond paper. You need to diffuse the light so it looks much better than just pointing the bulb at you. Now let's tape these 2 wooden sticks to the lamp and then tape the bond paper. This is the sample video recording of the bulb pointing at me without the bond paper, without diffusing the light. This is the video recording of the bulb's light diffused by the bond paper pointing at me. And that's it for lighting. Let's move on to the next important thing that most people often ignore, the audio or your sound quality. Here's what most people often do. They use the onboard microphone of their smartphones. This is the sample audio recording using the onboard microphone of the smartphone. Testing, check, 1, 2. It sounds trash, right? You need to get the Boya BY-M1 lapel mic. Again, the links for both Amazon and Lazada are in the description below. This lapel mic costs $19 and 95 cents in Amazon and just 590 Philippine peso in Lazada. So get yours now while it's still discounted. Now here's how it sounds using a lapel mic. And this is the sample audio recording using the lapel mic. Testing, check, 1, 2. See? It's way much better than just using the onboard microphone. Now let me show you the final setup using these items. Alright, this is the new setup. We have our smartphone mounted on our desk tripod, our light diffused by a very expensive bond paper, and our lapel mic. Pretty darn great, right? Now for the last and the most important thing that your videos must have, the content. All of these tips won't even matter if your videos don't find any value from your videos. Maybe you can teach them something, make them laugh, entertain them, or inspire them, whatever your plan is. So good luck with your channel. If you learned something from this video, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to this channel, and see you on my next one.